Welcome to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to be talking about bullpup, but on a mongrel. I'm also going to be giving an update on the Big Head murder. Right, I just covered it yesterday. Big Head is the acting Don, right, for Homestead. And them kill McLaren Don. Them come out and say some exchange of, items and phone now and argument kick off. Just as expected, a curry unicorn. Let me talk about it. So, I can start off with the very video game-esque weapon where them find in a Grand Spain. See, security forces them conduct a raid, more than likely acting on intelligence, right, and they found a bullpup. Now, you might think to yourself, bullpup? What, that like a bull cow mixed with a dog? No, this is a rifle. This rifle in particular is the Panzer bullpup, aka the BP12. I must say, from time to time, we see them find some things, and I'm like, okay, right, that's interesting. Right. This is one of them times. This is a semi-automatic shotgun, aka your worst nightmare. Now, the name bullpup, right, basically stems from the design. Any weapon where you see the action is located behind the trigger, them call it a bullpup. If you notice, the magazine is loaded behind the trigger and the grip, as opposed to in front of it like your typical AK or your AR. A few countries in the world actually have their standard issue weapon like this. So, the bullpup, 12 gauge, semi-automatic shotgun. You know, they watch a movie, and you see the man of the shotgun and him fire around, right? Then he make that chick chick sound and him fight again. You've seen it in the movies, right? Well, this, you don't need to do no chick chick. The only chick chick you go and hear is the sounds of your bones breaking after being hit with one of these rounds from the Panzer BP12. And if you're lucky, that's all will happen to you. Your bone then break up. If you're lucky. This is the type of weapon that is currently in the hands of your favorite 87. And you know what's in your hands? iPhone, Samsung, Motorola, Peanut phone, banger, ready to dial 119, right? Cause that's how, this is how they say it work, right? If you get attacked, call the police. Or call your favorite activist. I'm sure they're going to stop doing what they're doing to run, come and help save you, right? This is what you need to think about. Grand Spain is actually quiet right now. But the man them still have this type of machine at the place. This is how you see a place go calm to turn dead quickly. How many times I have to tell them, see, make bad man cool, right? Work out, treat and give man truce and tell them say, what do you want? How can we appease you? What do you want, Mr. 87? I make them stop for a little while. That's not crime fighting. One flare up, man rise up them Panzer bullpup, murder rate spike instantly. Gangs have to be disarmed, active 87s have to be removed from the streets. Anything else is a fantasy. I can be living in a place with 100 rifles, be a murderer, but nothing now going on now. 6 months pass, MP turn up, camera crew seat. But tell you, to go to the place quiet. I told you it's because we recently did this program, 87 I laugh like program, this one program. 87 I make a bag of money. Way more than I can make by any program I put them on. I buy up in bullpup, I stack up, ammo, gun, but no one not go on. People say see success. So what, man, a Spanish told me carrying a road dispute. John's road turn upside down. Spanish town turn upside down. Next thing you see, 87s I shoot it out, broad daylight on camera. So go and try and make gunman cool. Until them ready for hot. Because that's what them love, them love work on gunman. Them love when time, bad man say, you know what, alright, we go done now, we go done now. Alright, we go war now, we go war now. Alright, we go done now, we go done now. No song you can't sing, so that means you're not in control. You're along for the ride. Come like one picnic where I go tell you, say, alright, me I come home 10 o'clock today. Alright, me I come home 4 o'clock today. You don't feel come home midnight tomorrow. And then you are the parent. You are the picnic and picnic when they feel like you hope say the picnic come home. You hope say when you tell him come home certain time, you listen. Hope. You want to be that strategy around hope. I better go listen to my father hope and pray. That can't work. Weapons like this need to be removed from the streets. The man them fire them needs to also be removed from the streets. And the man them bring them into the country, right, need to also be removed from the streets. And the man them uncle some place for buy them and I send them in, well, we'll soon hear what happened to them. But me touch upon the bigger thing for the video. Them say big head meet up with people, you know. Care things with people and exchange things and realize the phone now work on the right phone and an argument start and man kill him. Tell me that sound like Curry Unicorn. And that unicorn the season up. Right. I can't that. Right. They must be more to than that. Some program run. And now I get fear say that going for real. Right. Homestead people them already get the play-by-play. And it's bad news. It's bad news because the money when I say them suspect set up the program, if they're foreign. But that no stop war. That no stop war because people not have to catch you. Okay. You see, based on where here, right, him go drop out some things, the man them end up trail him, and then pull off a little sneaky fender bender. Him now jump out of him car, right, to go inspect damage and confront the man them and walk straight in him death. Right. That is why in the video you see me down at the middle of the road. Right. Him in a vehicle. Right. Him supposed to in a vehicle based on which part him there. And like say me that just a walk about him business right this, right. So he was supposed to be in his vehicle because him come out now. If you got hear where the man must stand. A confront man and who knows. But because he come out of the vehicle now, that is how the man could have killed him. And you see him lie down on him back. Right. So in the middle of the road. Car if you drive around him. You see, when if you understand how them things are work. 87 would have him son where go school 5 minutes down the road. And him have be excuse why he can't see him. He have be excuse why he can't pick him up. Be excuse why he can't go one parent teacher meeting. Be excuse why he can't go pick up and report. Right. But if in here say ops are going a Clarendon, right, and him not a niggle, if him have to rent the car for reach, him gone. If him have to thief the car for reach, him gone. If him have to fly up on the back of one junk crow, right, him gone. Right. When he start murder time, by any means necessary. You wanna tell him say, yo, you know, say we can't get the right dog, so I call it off. I say, no man, me know somebody. So this song will say, you can reach me by airplane. If him have to book a flight, he gone on it. He not turn on the chance to go kill. But I tell him say, yo, go and collect your son report one time. Right. School is 5 minutes down the road. You don't have to drive, you can walk. Until they say sun hot. Until about climate change, right? Until about global warming. Tell him say we go kill Big Head at Clarendon. Tell him say we go kill Smaddy and Nigel. Remember I'm telling about the Klansman, right? Shooting the man him left. But Negril, the man him left go kill people. Crazy. So now Homestead, people tense, Spanish town people tense because people are braced for something now. People are braced for retaliation. And I say fortunately, there's an SOE, so that might help, you know, quell things a little bit, but we have to go see. Anyway, don't forget, if challenged by an 87 with a BP12, hands a bullpup, remember what Woke TV's teacher could do. put out your left hand and say stop. Right. And it is I'm gonna start. Alright, my G, and go in my go. Right. Apparently that's how it works. I don't know. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circular. Bless.